The 2026 Land Rover Defender OCTA is the most extreme and powerful factory-built Defender ever created. It combines a massive twin-turbo V8, advanced suspension technology, serious off-road hardware, and premium luxury into one aggressive SUV. With 626 horsepower, a 0 to 60 time of just 3.8 seconds, and a starting price around $160,250, the Octa is designed for drivers who want performance without giving up legendary Defender capability. From the outside, the Defender OCTA immediately looks wider, tougher, and more aggressive than a standard Defender. The body features muscular wheel arches, redesigned bumpers, increased ground clearance, and stronger protective components designed for demanding terrain. Signature OCTA graphics add a distinctive identity, while chopped carbon fiber details and matte gold accents give the SUV a more exotic appearance. Available tire options range from road-focused all-season rubber to aggressive trail-terrain tires, depending on how the owner plans to use the vehicle. Inside the cabin, the Octa combines rugged functionality with luxury. Buyers can choose premium semi-aniline leather or durable Quadrat textile seating, giving the interior a sophisticated but adventure-ready character. The front seats are specially designed for performance driving, and Land Rover's body and soul seat technology adds another unusual feature. The system uses vibroacoustic technology to allow occupants to physically feel music through the seats. The overall cabin remains focused on comfort, technology, and durability, making the Octa suitable for both long highway journeys and demanding adventures. Under the hood is a BMW-sourced 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with mild hybrid assistance. It produces 626 horsepower and up to 590 pound-feet of torque when launch mode is activated. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission and advanced four-wheel drive hardware. The result is a remarkable 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.8 seconds, while 0 to 100 km/h takes approximately 4.0 seconds. With the appropriate tire setup, the Defender OCTA can reach a top speed of up to 155 mph. An active exhaust system also gives the V8 a deep, aggressive sound while helping manage thermal performance. Technology is another major part of the Octa experience. A dedicated Octa performance button on the steering wheel provides quick access to specialized driving settings. The vehicle's electronic systems work together with the suspension, drivetrain, and differential controls to optimize performance across different surfaces. Whether you're attacking a winding road or navigating difficult terrain, the Octa is designed to respond quickly to changing conditions. The Defender OCTA is also engineered with a wide range of electronic driving and stability systems designed to help the driver maintain control. Its sophisticated suspension, all-wheel drive system, active differential, and electronic control systems work together to improve stability and traction. The vehicle's strong construction and off-road focused hardware are equally important when driving in demanding environments. However, drivers should remember that advanced technology cannot replace safe driving, especially at high speeds or on difficult terrain. But this isn't an ordinary luxury SUV. It delivers 626 horsepower, supercar-like acceleration, advanced 6D dynamic suspension, extreme water weighting capability, reinforced driveline components, premium materials, and genuine off-road strength. The Defender OCTA is essentially two vehicles in one, a brutally fast performance machine on the road and a highly capable adventure vehicle when the pavement ends. If you want a luxury SUV that can deliver serious speed without sacrificing extreme off-road capability, the 2026 Land Rover Defender OCTA is one of the most impressive choices on the market.